Good morning, party people. Just finished my tiny can of Monster. I had one of these recently, and someone commented on my Instagram story being like, how big are you? No, it's just a small can. This morning is my second push session of the week. Trystin's gonna jump in and train me on this one. So at the moment with my program, as we've said, I'm doing like less reps, heavy movements. I'm still trying to get in 2 sessions a week for each body part, so I'm getting maximum growth out of there. So we're going through and doing, again, push, but this one is giving me a little bit more upper chest and shoulders focused. Still doing basic like compound movements and then throwing some triceps at the end, but shoulders is something that probably gets neglected in my program in the past, so I've changed it around a little bit to add a bit more in there. That's what we're doing today. So just gonna put some water in my amino acids and my carbs, strap up the wrists, let's get started. Okay, so I've been strapping up my wrists this current block of programming while doing push. The reason for this is so I can allow a little bit more weight and strength to come down without compromising form by my forearms and elbows weakening. So the whole idea of these is by strapping up the wrists, we turn that into a stronger joint. So rather than having that being unstable and then having to compromise here, compensate here, it strengthens this up, so it turns that into a joint the same as this. Kind of locks in, so it makes it a lot easier when I've got a bit more weight lifting. Alright, last set here. Got 80 kilos. I'm just going for 8 reps, but trying to make sure the tempo is nice and steady, really getting a stretch to the bottom and that clench at the top of the movement. Steve says last set, best set, so I'm just going to try and do that. Alright, next up we're doing flat bench dumbbell press. So this is almost like a flip of what I do in the first session of the week currently. First session of the week, if you watch the video I did like 2 weeks ago, which I'll put up there, was I started with incline dumbbell press, then moved on to flat bench. I'm starting with incline bench, now moving to flat bench dumbbell press. Just working on those consistencies throughout the week. So the other thing with this is because it is the second session of the week, my strength will be diminished a little bit. So I can't go as heavy, so this is more about form through the 6 to 8 reps. So yeah, dumbbell flat bench to do now. So, next up here we're doing a shoulder press. Doing this in the Smith machine to keep a little bit of stability. But you can see I'm doing these seated. The whole reason we're doing these seated is taking the legs out of the equation, so you really have to rely on strength. So you're gonna get maximum growth out of the shoulder capsule here. This is probably more front delt dominant. You're gonna get a little bit of chest here, but because I've already done incline bench, it's made this all the harder. So I've only got 20 kilos per side here. You can see there, trying to keep that tempo. Controlling all the way down here, so it's gonna come down the clavicle. Down, pressing all the way up here. Go for 8 reps again. So we're going to move on to another shoulder movement here. Now, due to my elbows and the ongoing issue with them, I can't do lateral raises properly because that caused me a lot of pain. So I'm going to use the lateral raise machine here. Now, the beauty of this is because it's got the pads, you're going to hold it, you can still raise up, you don't have to hold the weights right out there. It actually puts the pads here, so it means my elbows don't get engaged. But I would prefer to do these with dumbbells if possible. So if you're following all this workout at home, I suggest instead of using the machine, use dumbbells. I can't not nip slip. It seems to be impossible for me. So polar compress is the next movement up here. We've gone back to a chest exercise. This one is all about time under tension. So we're not going super heavy in this. I've got 20 kilos per arm. The whole point of this one is getting that stretch at the bottom. That's why you're twisting, allowing you to get yourself full stretch as well as holding that time under tension. And then the top there, up, really twisting together. You're not just twisting the weight, you're twisting the whole arms. So your shoulders, chest is contracting through there. You're gonna feel through the whole movement. The next push movement we're doing is moving on to triceps. We're going to go through here and do skull crushes on the easy curl bar. First set here will just be warm-up weight to get the movement happening, and then move on heavier. Oh, that was heavy. So, yeah, we're doing, oh, my camera come on. Doing double overhand dumbbell tricep extensions. You can see I'm really pressed hard on the bench. I'm actually standing up here at the bottom because I'm 5'9", I'm not the tallest dude. But the whole idea is to get my back up the top of the bench there, allows my hands to go back as far as I can without impinging on my shoulders. Down, and again, trying to get those elbows in together as going towards the ceiling. Now if you can, try not to touch the dumbbells together. Try and keep that tension all the way through the movement. There's Lane if you want to check him out. Try and distract me while filming. Okay, finishing off triceps with a superset here. We're doing my favorite tricep exercise. Underhand, wide grip, W bar, pull downs. It's a mouthful, but it's fun. And then supersetting that with V bar pull downs, close tension, going heavy on those ones. This is gonna be a killer superset to finish this off. Then we're gonna do one more thing, but I'm not gonna tell Trystin what it is. I want it to be a surprise. work out why that was heavy. Because someone snuck a tiny little weight on the back of that. Finishing off here with AMRAP push-ups. This is as many reps as possible, full push-ups. So we're going to be including the chest and the triceps in this one. Now, the rule for Trystin here is, for every one that he gets, I'll do 2. So you're going to go first, and you get as many as you can, because you're going to try and destroy me here. So just think, for everyone you get, I've got to do 2 of that.
My arms are so sore already.
We're going to film Trystin for the first set, and then I have to match with that. Let's get it done. I want to see full chest to ground. Good, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once that chest to ground. 13, 14, 15, 16. Keep going, keep going. 17. Can you make 20? 18.
Not after that workout.
Alright, 18, not bad. Okay, so that was 18 for Trystin. So if we do the quick maths, I'm gonna get 36 straight push-ups here. It's gonna be a lot harder than, like, 36 push-ups, like, I can do that, but at the end of a big push workout with some triceps, this should be tough. So, 36. Okay, so that's that. That's done. 50 in the back. Hey, good session. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is a bit of active recovery. We're gonna get some food, but a big thing for me is I don't like just sitting still. I like to recover in an active way, and this is a really big thing. So get the body moving and stop from cramping and seizing up. We're actually gonna go get in the ocean now. Take the GoPros, have a little frolic. There's some waves out there today, so we're gonna do that. Recover in a healthy way. But first we need to eat and catch our breath. Go.
Sweet.
Let's go.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna let you finish when I chose the best breakfast option. I just wanted to use a pun about omelets. But seriously, we got some serious gains going on there. This thing looks delicious. What do you got? You got tacos.
Tacos.
Pork belly?
Yeah.
Good call. Gonna hit this up, have a tiny coffee, and then get in the ocean. I'm not gonna let you watch me eat because I'll make a mess of this, but it's gonna be delicious. That's success right there. It was delicious. I didn't use the maple syrup though because I still am not. I think it's Canadian, maybe it's American. I don't know. Adding like maple syrup on savory things, I'm just not quite used to that yet. I've had like chicken and waffles before, and that was pretty good. I use a little bit. Maybe I'll get confident one day. We're gonna wander home now. Look at this day, it is beautiful. So we're gonna go get the GoPro, maybe get the drone. We're gonna get some fins and go get in the water. We're just active recovery. So I don't think there'll be much talking in this bit, as I'll be underwater. Unless you want to come along for the ride.
Got away from it all, everything here reminds me of you. I got 200 downs on a list that I will try to do.
We've decided this is probably safest / it's pretty calm at the back here, so we just come home and we're gonna go for a swim out here. It's we're not gonna get many waves, but at least it'll be clear enough to see with the GoPros underwater. Plus, it's active recovery. It's more about the swim than getting mad barrels, bro.
No matter what I'll do, I try not to fall apart. I can see you anywhere else. Do you feel alive when you save yourself? It's a long way down, but I feel alive. None of this will break my bones, but the memories.
Wow. Wave wasn't huge. It's nice to get in the water. Hopefully got some fun little footage with this. I feel really cool having it in my mouth the whole time too. It doesn't look awkward at all. Now the fun part is trying to get my wetsuit off. Make me feel like a superhero. No, does Captain America have trouble getting his costume off? Because this thing.
There we go.
I think I've earned lunch. You get some lunch?
Yep.
Alright, that'll do for today. I don't really have anything to wrap up here. I'll see you next time.